Hey yo, what's going on? Welcome back to Nell Garage. I am Nell, and today guys we'll be changing the indicators on my Corsa project car. We have those LED ones. Alright guys, so here is how the current or the stock ones look. So yeah, let's get the new ones installed. Quick, easy and a simple thing to do. Basically you just push it in to one side and it'll just pop out. Alright guys, so once you get it popped out, it's very simple. The next step here, basically the whole plastic indicator cover, basically just twist it onto one side and it's just half a twist, and you take the cover off and then you take the light bulb out and the new one just plugs straight in, and yeah, you just pop it back into place and that's all. There we go, that's the new indicators in. I absolutely love them. I think they look a lot more cleaner than the standard ones, and it's a fairly simple process to put them back in. Literally just need to push them in and they will click back into place. And yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment. And it's been Nell with Nell Garage. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description below, and I'll see you all in the next one.